Okay, so we're just going to talk a little bit about image optimization for the web. Right, so this is my contact page, and what I want to do is I want to insert an image. The website that I'm building is about Formula One and motorsports. So on the contact page I'm just going to put an image of one of our cars, which is there. Right, so as you can see at the moment it's 2048 by 1536 pixels. It's quite large, and the actual size is 912k, which is nearly a meg. And once I put the alternate text in, Ferrari, press OK, you'll see that the image is imported or inserted at its original size and distorts the page quite a bit. So there's two things that I could do. I can click on the image here and change the size to a tenth, so that'll be 205 by 154. And just let the web page reset. There we go, and there you can see the image is there. Now it looks okay, it looks the right size, but the problem is each time the web page loads, it has to load this image, which is almost a meg, and that could slow down the web page loading on slow connections. So another thing that we could do is we could actually edit the image here and make it the correct size before it's actually loaded into the internet browser. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to open it with Fireworks, so that's our image editing program, and there we can see the image in its full size, but it's actually reduced to 31%. Now all we want to do is resize that, so I'll go to Modify, Canvas, Image Size, and I want to reduce it, resize it to about 10%. So let's select percent and put in 10. You can see that I've got the padlock here which locks the width and height ratios, so the height has automatically changed. If I now click OK, the image has changed to the correct size. If I just resize that to 100%, that's the actual size of the image now. Now I don't want to replace the image that I've just resized, so when I save it, I'll save it as Ferrari 1 small instead. So let's just go and have a quick look at the two images, the two image sizes. You can see there that I've got Ferrari 1 small. If we just have a look at the size, let's refresh this at the next to each, and there we go, Ferrari 1 small, 912, nearly a meg, and versus 16 kilobytes. So this one will take no time at all to load on a web page, whereas the other one may take a bit longer. So I can just go back to Dreamweaver now and delete the full size one, because that's not the one that I want, and go back to Insert Image, and now select the small image. It's still a Ferrari, so we'll use that as our alternate text, and there we go. Now at this stage you could, because we didn't alter the original image, you could give users the option to click on that to see the original image, because it is, well, a very nice car. So we've selected the image, we do is click on link, and we find the original image, which is Ferrari 1. Click OK. Now let's have a look at that. If I save that, let's go and have a look at it in our internet browser. And there we go, that's our web page as it is at the moment. Now let's just see, if we hover over it, the mouse changes, and if I click on that, it should take me to the original image. There we go, and I can even zoom into the original size. Okay, and if I click back, it'll take me back to the contact page. So there we go, optimising images to help pages load faster. So you could also use this for large images that you download from the internet and you want to use in your site.